How to download TicketMaster app on Android. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can download TicketMaster app on your Android device. The TicketMaster app makes it easier to buy, sell, and get into the very best of live entertainment. On the Ticketmaster app, you have unparalleled access to thousands of venues, artists, theater, and sports events. Now, if you want to download the Ticketmaster app on your device, all you have to do is open Play Store on your Android device. Now, you want to tap on the search bar and type Ticketmaster app. Then, from the search results, you want to tap on the Ticketmaster option. Now, unfortunately, Ticketmaster app is only available in limited country and regions. So, if Ticketmaster is not available in your country, you are simply not able to download it at the moment. However, if you have the Ticketmaster app available in your Play Store, go ahead and tap on the install button. Depending on the speed of your internet, it will take some time for the application to be downloaded. Once it has been downloaded, it will be installed on your device automatically, and in this way you can download Ticketmaster app on your device. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.